Welcome to Kigali Engineers College.
Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College. I'm here by the name of Gilbert Hakizimana. As you see, this is our lathe machine. We have the session of designing and manufacturing the pulley by using this machine. The first part was to draw on the paper. The second one was to draw in the SolidWorks. Then this is our part 3, where we are going to design or machining the pulley by using this machine. This is our piece. So here are some tools and equipments used. The first one is vernier caliper, which used to measure. Here we have adjustable wrench. Here we have the chuck key. Yes, here we have a drill bit used to drill a hole. Yeah, here we can start. In previous video we have discussed about this machine in depth, how it works. This time we are going to produce our pulley. Let's start. We start by fixing our workpiece in the chuck. First of all, we have to make the fixing operation. Let me remind you, as you see, we are going to design our pulley. We start with this groove of 10. We are going to put here, and then we are going to continue with this 5 and this 5, where we have been calculated the angle. The taper angle will be 63.4. As you see, our groove must have 10 mm of depth. Here we reach at 9, so we have to remove one. Let's check if the depth of 10 have been reached. Yes, it is 10. Yes, we are going to widen our roof. It must be 10. Here we have 5. Yes, our depth have been reached, so we are going to finish the inside, then put the chamfer or taper turning by reducing our pulley. Yes, as you see, we finished our groove, which has 10 millimeters. We are going to continue by chamfering here, removing these 5 and removing these 5. So to do it, so we have to set our machine about this angle of 63.4. It is calculated like this. Taper angle is equal to large diameter minus small diameter over 2 times length. This large diameter is equal to 50 and small one is 30 and length is equal to 5, where the taper will be applied. So by calculation we get angle of 63.4. Let's set the machine and then start. As you see, our machine is set to 0 here. So we have to set our machine at 63.4. We have to open this board. As you see here, there is another line where it is in 40 degree. You have finished the 40 degree, then about 63.4. The remaining one is 23.4. So here we have 40 degree, and this line here there is a line which is aligned with. So in order to get our 63.4, you have to set here about 18. Here we have 5, so we have to set 18. 18.4. Yes, here. As you see, our taper have been started to be formed. So as you see, here we have to leave 5, but now we have 6. We have 6. So let's remove 1 and continue. Yes, here we have 5. May continue. Yes, we finish one end, so let's go to another side. Here we have to set also our machine. had to set 18 on this side. Yes, this is another line. Yeah, it must be set to 18. Yes, 18. So as you see, our pulley design have been obtained. The remaining one is to drill a hole through it. So we are going to use this drill bit. We have to fix it here, and then we drill the hole of 20. But right now we have a drill bit of 10. So in case you want to drill the 20 millimeter, you have to drill with 10, then put 20 here, then drill the hole of 20. But right now we are going to drill the hole of 10 millimeters. So we have to fix it here. Yes. So let's check our hole. It is 38. So as you have reached on 30, we may remove this one. Let's see. So as you see, this is our product, this is our pulley we want to design. So our operation is ended by here. As you see, this is our pulley. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Kigali-Engineers-College. God bless you.